made some changes. So yesterday, last time we last time we were doing the billing and we got stuck in the billing and I made some changes. I don't know that change was causing that issue or not, but it should not. So let me show you the changes that I made. So billing in the billing document, maintain document types and assign number range. Here I was using the existing document types, which was ZB, ZR, and ZS. And I created Z1, Z2, and Z3. Okay, Z102 billing document, reversal document, and simulation document. So three new document types I created instead of using the existing one. Also in the number range, also there were only three number ranges. I think 1, 2, 3, and Z1, Z2, Z3. I created maybe 4, 5, 6, or 7, 8, 9. I don't recall. I did that on Friday maybe. So let me see which ones I created because I assigned the new number ranges. Okay. For mass, I did not create any, but for individual, I created maybe 7, 8, 9. Let's see. Then define here in the new document type in Z1, I assigned, okay, I created 7, 8, 9. Okay. So for individual 0, 7, for mass Z1. So mass, I did not create anything new. Uh, for Z2 also, I assigned 8, and for mass Z2. And for the simulation, I assigned 9 maybe, 09, and for mass Z3. Okay, these three I did. Then this was same, no change here. Which one I did? Yeah, Z12. I did not change anything. And document type, here it was earlier ZB, ZR, and ZS. I added the new document types Z1, Z2, and Z3. Okay, with that I was able to generate the billing document. And I did not run the mass billing, so I'll do that both of them together now. Now let's go to /o fkk bix bit underscore mon. So in billable item class Z102, I want to see the items which are billable, so that I can bill them. Okay, so execute. These are the some billable items. So generated on 10/1. So I'll select 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 10/1 I generated this one. I mean, these all up to here I generated on 10th of Jan, that is last Friday. So I'll select this 4 and click on bill. My billing process is Z102, and again it is baseline date is bill from date is 5/1. So if I try to bill it on 4/1, it will not allow me to bill. So it does not allow me to bill. From 5/1 onwards I can bill it. So let's bill it on 5/1. Okay, I execute. Here the 4 line items are listed together. Okay, the 4 line items are being listed together. So you see a number of items 4, and you click on this green tick and again green tick. Now this will create the billing document. Click on the billing document to display the billing document. Now this is the billing document. This is how a billing document look like. An invoicing document will also look like the same. It has a header data. The upper part is a header. In the header data we have the billing document number 7 series. So 07, it has taken the 07. For billing I assigned 07. For reversal I assigned 08, and for simulation I assigned 09. Okay, so for billing it has taken 07, and doc type is Z1. Okay, so doc type Z1, Z2, Z3. Initially it was ZB, initially it was ZB, ZR, ZS. Now I assigned Z1. Okay, so for billing It has taken Z1, that is Z101 billing document. Then in the header we have BP, CA, start date, end date, and we have the invoice from date also. Right now I have not added any scheduling. I will do that. So once we do the scheduling, then also the invoice from date will also be derived. Okay. So similar to bill from, the invoice from date means that is I can invoice it from that particular date. I cannot invoice before that date. Okay. So same concept as bill from date. Then we have billing process.
Yeah. So
Yes.
I have one doubt.
Hmm.
In previous screen, you have given bill from date as 051/2025, right?
Hmm.
So bill from date is after that bill from date, any date we can give, right? Not exactly 0501
On
to
or after.
2020.
Yes. On or after. So if I
But
would
it
have
was in
chosen
pop-up,
zero 06. Hmm.
it was showing 13/1, right? In the
No.
pop-up,
I changed it.
13/1 to.
I changed it to 5-1.
Yeah. So
First
13 is after
allowed.
05 only, right?
Yes, yes. Allowed. On or after.
No, it was not allowing, right? It was giving some error.
No. Four
Not
it did not
not
allow.
eligible for. Oh,
No,
four.
no. Fourth,
Okay.
I tried
Okay.
with, I showed you fourth, that is before that it did not allowed.
Okay.
On or after, five
Okay.
or onwards, after five, anything will allow.
Okay. I missed it. Yeah.
I'll show
I
you
have
again.
not observed that.
uh,
Okay.
yeah, no issue. Shlomi, tell me.
According to your correction, does it mean that under the same billing document, only plus one bit plus is
No,
permitted?
that is not correct, because that should not be the case. I told you, I couldn't find a way out, so I changed that and it worked. But ideally with the same doc type and same number range, it could also create. I don't know why such error was coming, but ideally, if you create a new bit class and if you use ZVZRZS, that should work with the existing number range 010203. That should work, but I found it did not work. It may be, just I was guessing, it may be because this ZVZRZS is assigned to so many bit types, so many billing process. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Oh, okay.
10.
Okay,
Okay,
let's see.
maybe it got uh, oversaturated. Just guessing. So that's why I just changed,
Okay.
because I have to continue with the training. Else, if I get stuck here, I cannot continue. Go forward. Okay. Okay. So billing process, billing type. This is the header. We can have other fields also. Uh, Change layout. We have these many other fields we can add. Then in the bottom we have the uh, line item. We have the header at the top, and we have the line item at the bottom. So here we have four line items, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I assign these item types in the config against my bit types. Okay, where did I assign? Let me remind you. In the billing process, assign billing item type. Here I assigned that Z Z 102 001 002 003 and 004 is assigned to Z 102 103 104 105. So when the billing will run in the line item, this four will be shown in the billing line item. Okay, so these four are shown, and then the amounts are there, main and sub transactions are there. Okay, and in the source item, so wherever you see green, that means those data are populated. Blank white means there is nothing. Okay, it's blank. Again, in the source item, I will see the bits. Okay, so these are my billable item types: 102 103 104 105. So the billable items are being stored here, so that we can identify, we can do the mapping. Later we can do the mapping, that billable item type and billing item type. Okay, so that is the billing document. Now let's understand the tables of the billing document. So bill has two table. One is a header table.
Sorry to interrupt. Can you please go to the configuration where billing item type and billing item types were?
Okay. Mhm.
So this is billing item type or billable item type.
Billing
The
item.
second column.
This is billable item.
Mhm.
This is billing item
Mhm.
type. This is bit type.
Okay, fine. Okay.
Okay.
So there are three: a billable item type, billing item type, right?
Item type. Yes.
Only three.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Then there is billing type also. Okay. Billing type only I explained. There is one more thing. I think there is one more thing similar to this billing item. Okay, this is billing item. Then we have billing item type. Okay, so billing item is this one. In the selection variant, in the billing process, I assign three things. C102. See billing type, billing type, billable item type, and billing item type. Three. Okay, so you'll get to know them once you work in these areas more. Okay, so now before I go to the billing table, that reminds me my bit table, which was in 2IT, now it will be moved to 4IT00. Okay, so in the source item itself, it will show you the table name, that where is it moved to now. Okay, 4IT00. So now slash o SE16N, if I open the tables, Z102 star. Previously, my billable items were stored in 2IT. C102 billable items were stored in this table. Okay, I'm talking about only main item, not payment item, not tax item, not text item. Okay, so previously it was stored in 2IT. Now it is no longer billable. I mean, I have few billable items also, but the four that I have built, they will be moved from this table to this table 4IT00. Okay, so 4IT00. So here I added the 0102 due to the timing, that is um, storing time based storing. For that I added the additional database, but 4IT00 will have the data. 4IT00 you execute. So here whatever item we have built, including today and on Friday also I did some billing, all of them will be stored here. Okay, so maybe on Friday I did 8 line item. So remember I got stuck, so I told okay, I'll take a look. So I did billing for 8 line items, and today I did billing for 12 line items. Okay, so here we have sub process and billable item type. Okay, billable item type basically. So I'll bring it close to here. So here what happens, sometimes it may happen that from the invoice we have to map the billing, and with the billing we have to map to the bit. Okay, many a times for reporting purpose we do that. So in my toll project also we have done that, to derive the profit center. Remember I told you that we can use the event 05 and 010 to enrich the content of the bit. Now in the bit, the profit center is derived during the bit generation, and the profit center we need to send all the way till invoicing. Now if I want to go till invoicing, we have to backtrack. Um, that is during invoicing. I have from invoicing line item I have to go to billing line item, then from billing line item till bit. Okay, so for that this billing item group number, this one plays a good important role. Okay, so if you want to map, I'll show you. Once I create it, I'll show you the number. I'll show you the mapping. So right now understand that this billing item type, you have to understand. Right now so I'm showing every items has same amount. Okay, 22.05, 22.05, 22.05, 22.05. In real project there will be different amounts, and different profit center may be there. Okay, and all those profit center has to be derived from bit to invoicing. Then this mapping is needed, so the mapping is stored, it is stored in the billing item group. Okay, here we have to do the mapping. I'll show you once I post the invoicing, because that is the end part. I have to map three things, that is bit equal to billing line item equal to invoicing line item. Okay, So right now I have bid and billing line item. I don't have the invoicing yet. So once I do the invoicing, I'll show you. We have to do this mapping. So that is in the 4IT00, the items are now moved. Okay. So this is the bid table, and there will be no further movement. All the billed item and the invoice item will be stored here only. Okay. There is no separate table for invoiced item. The status, remember, what are the status? The statuses are raw accepted. Let me bring it here. Raw accepted, billable accepted, billed. There is nothing, no status called invoiced. That means this is the final resting table. It will not be moved any further. If I now accept the billing, it may go back to billable accepted, but there is no forward moving. That is the end. Okay. So since there is no invoiced table, this is the highest table. So billed items will stay here, invoiced item will also stay here. Okay. Now let me show you the billing document. The header table and line item table, two tables are there for the billing document. So copy the billing document and go to slash o se16n. The table is fkkinv bill underscore h as a header. Dfkk, sorry. Tables are with dfkk. I think one more L will be there. DFKK INV bill underscore H billing document header. You enter the billing document. Let me add all the billing document because I think I did three billing document, each containing four line items. So three billing document, the header, and which will be invoiced from which date, that is shown here. And I want to see when the billing was done. Couple of them will be 10/1 and the rest will be 13/1. Okay, billed on. These were done on Friday, 10/1, and this is done today. Maybe around night I did 10 10 IST 10:20 10:23, around this time I did the billing, and this one I did today. Okay, so three billing line item with the billing process and billing type. This is the header, not line item, sorry, this is the header table. So in the line item you will see this line will appear four times, this one will appear four times, this one will appear four times. Okay, header table dfkk inv bill underscore h. Similarly, line item table slash o ac16n dfkk inv bill underscore I stands for item. Okay, billing document items. Here we enter all three billing documents and we'll get the items as well. Okay, put ascending, you'll find the three billing documents with their respective line items. Okay, so profit center is carried over till billing.
So group is not appearing here. So
Group
billable item
is
group.
billable item group. Billable item will appear in the ZBTB tables. Okay, billable item. This is billing item. So that's why you'll not
Okay.
find the group here. Okay, so you have to map this item with the group or this item with the group. Okay, so you'll see this profit center is coming from 8120 posting area. So here all line items carrying the same profit center. As long as it is carrying the same profit center, there is no issue, but ideally it will carry different profit center because your client may want to record different bit type, different transaction, and different transaction should go to different profit centers. Okay, some will go to profit center A, say license fee will go to one profit center, hardware fee will go to another one, your one time fee will go to another one. So that is to derive the profit center or any other custom field, you have to do the grouping, you have to do the mapping for the grouping. Okay,
But
so
here grouping is not there, right?
no,
So
you have to
though we have profit different profit center, assuming these four are different profit centers,
no, see,
ending with OP.
you have to map this billing item group with this item. Okay, 1 2 3 4, you have to map with this. That is, you pass the billing document into this table and here with each group 1 2 3 4, and refer to each bit group 1 2 3 4.
So their item is nothing but billable item in second column there in that other table, other stream. Yeah.
This is
And
billing item, not billable item. This is billing item. Okay, see, there
okay.
are there are two items. So
Just I want to see like how the group is assigned
this,
to different product
yes,
vendors.
yes, yes, I'm telling you,
Yeah.
this is the billing
Yeah.
item group, and here we have the billable item group. Sorry, this one, billable item group. Map the billable item group with billing item group to uniquely derive the values between billable item and billing item. Okay, so pass the billing document into ZBTP4IT00 table. ZBTP4IT00 table. Pass the billing document with uh, billing group 1 2 3 4, and fetch billable item group 1 2 3 4 and derive the custom fields. That mapping logic you have to write in the FS. Okay, one table you will not find both. Pass the line items from the billing table, and pass the billing document along with all the four groups, and with these four group you will get the custom fields, whatever fields. Right now I don't have any, so if there's
So
profit center
DFKK tables are only billing type tables, but not related to billable item types, right?
that is billing table.
Yeah.
This is
Okay,
billing.
only billing table. This is billable. This is billing tables. Whereas
And
slash one AP slash zero is tables are billable item type
billable item
tables.
table, bit table, these are bit
Okay.
table and those are billing tables. Okay, so now let me do a mass billing also. I did a single billing, so let me show you how to do mass billing. And for mass billing, remember, I did not change the number range. Okay, I did change the document type. It was earlier, no, no, so number range was okay, I changed the document type, but I did not change the number range. That is, earlier it was ZB, now it is Z1, but the document type, but the number range was Z1. Now also the number range is Z1. Okay, so in the uh, billing document here, it was earlier ZB, sorry, mass, yeah, here it was earlier ZB and number range was Z1. Now the doc type remains, the doc type is changed to Z1, but the number range remained Z1. Okay, so I did not change the number range for mass billing. Let's see if the mass billing is working or not. Okay, so so one more single billing screen is T code is available. So /o fkk bix underscore s. Okay, this is one more single billing. So come here, fkk bix underscore s. Here you enter the billing sub process. My sub process is this, and you enter the CA. My CA is this one. This is my CA, and you check this billing doc preview. That is, if you want, before billing it will show you these unbilled, I mean these billable, are these many billable line items are there. If you don't activate this preview, it will right away bill all items. Okay, I don't want to bill all items. I want system to show me a preview of the billable items so that I can pick and choose which items I want to bill. Okay, so with the check, you click on execute. uh, this lock I was also getting, I remember the change view. Okay, I'll come out of this. Any other change? Display. Okay, no more change. I'll try again. Maybe I'll open this T code one more time. Slash n fkkbix underscore s. Billing sub process is this. See, I'm putting today's date. That means it should bill all items, because some of them had 5/1, some of them had 31st 12. Okay, my 13/1 means I mean that means all. It should show me all line items. Okay, let's execute. Again, this lock is coming. Package 102 CA. Okay, display. I'll close all this thing. Okay, I don't know why I have opened it on display mode. Why was it showing conflicting log? Anyways, so here it is showing me, see, due to this preview, it is not showing me 4 line items, it is showing actually 16 line items. Okay, so if I open, I don't know, again it will show the log or not. Slash o fkk bix bit underscore mon. If I open and show me all billable items, so there will be 16. Okay, so all of these, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So it is showing all of them, but it is number of items is 4. Okay, say I can pick and choose, so let me do the minus billing. Okay, minus items I want to do the billing, so I'll unselect or deselect them. Again, I'm still doing single billing, not in mass. After that I'll show you mass billing. Okay, so pick the line item, this one, the minus one. I think it is 15 15 15 15. Okay, which one is it is trying to do? Yeah, the last 4 which were accepted earlier. Okay, so these ones I trying to do the billing. So select, click on the green tick. Billing document was created but not yet updated to the database. Do you want to save the document? Click on yes. Okay, billing document is generated 7003. Okay, so still single billing, not mass billing. So fkk bix underscore s is the t code to do single billing. Okay, so what was, yeah, here, no, here. Okay, so this fk can be bix underscore s, but nobody will do the single billing. There will be batch scheduled every day, and the scheduled batch will do the billing and invoicing. So let me show you the uh, mass billing t code. Okay, so the t code is, okay, let me show you from the easy access screen. Accounting, financial accounting, contract account receivable payable, convergent invoicing, billing document create will take me to, I think this is S only. The master code I cannot come from here or what? Invoicing clarification, reversal, billing request, billing plan, bill event. Okay, that's fine. So I'll open from the T code only. Slash n fkk bix underscore ma. Okay, ma stands for mass. fkk bix underscore ma. Now you are more familiar with this type of screens. This is for mass job. So here I'll copy from my existing run, maybe this one. Click on the copy button. I'll call it today's date, show one. Okay, now mine is Z102. It should, why doesn't it? I think maybe sub process is selected, that's why. Now let me do F4. No, this is not good in the sub process. Okay, I have to select from here first. Then in the F4, okay, it has already changed. Okay, so my billing process and sub process. So when I do billing, I start with sorry, I start with billing process and sub process only. See, when I select and do the billing, I start with billing process and sub process. Okay, so here also it lets me start with billing process and sub process. So enter billing process, sub process. I will change the contract account. My contract account is 615, assign 615. In the custom selection, you can pick and choose which billable items you want to bill, or anything. If you have a custom fields, then the custom field will also appear. See here, a couple of custom fields are already there. This coupon, make and model, device ID, these are already configured, already added custom fields. I will add further custom fields also. They will also appear here. So if you want to do the billing, and you can do according to this thing. Okay, the custom fields also. So here you can add the billable item, or you can add the source transaction ID. So if I put the source transaction ID, this one, then all there here three groups are there. Okay, so 12 line means 4 into 3, three groups are there. Say I don't want to group all of them, so what is unique between them? So the here the uniqueness is 65, 69. Okay, these two are 65, so let me put 69 only. That is, I'm saying, I'm telling the system that bill these four only. Okay, so this way also you have to find source transaction ID from here, and there is no search help. Okay, so just source transaction ID, double click, and you can put the source transaction ID, and accordingly you can do billing. Okay, this is one option. That means I want to do I want to select the items that I want to bill, or if I don't add anything, it will bill all line items. Okay, so let me show you. So all line items without any custom selection. In the additional parameter, I will do the billing date. Remember, when I manually try to do the billing, 1 2 3 4, I have to enter billing process, sub process, and billing date. Okay, so that is what here it is saying billing date. Previously, I had billing process, sub process, and here I am adding the billing date. Yes, Praveen, tell me.
Yeah, so if we won't add any contract account, then it will take all those billable items, right, which is currently there in the screen.
Yes, it will take all line items off which belong to
Zero bill.
which matches the billing process and sub process. Okay,
Okay, okay. And
it
there won't be any restriction of the date, means till
no
date it will take all the things.
here you can
Okay.
enter the date. You can enter the date,
Oh,
and accordingly it will take. Okay, so I'll enter today's date. So
so date.
till today,
Mm.
it will consider everything. Okay,
So this one
so
is mandatory for the billing date.
billing date. Let me check. Is it mandatory? No, it doesn't look like mandatory, but we must put a
Mm.
billing date that is up to this item based on scheduling. Which items are eligible for billing should be billed. Okay, not
Okay.
mandatory, but you must enter it.
So I just want to understand whether in general selection, if we'll put those two mandatory fields, which is sub process and billing process,
Mhm.
and if we'll run it, then whether system will
Okay,
bill
let
all
me.
those unbillable item till date.
If I don't enter a billing date, let me try this. Never tried, but let me try this. So put here additional information, and I'm running with blank additional in the additional parameter. I'm not adding any billing date. Okay, anyways, I have only three groups to be built, and I have blank custom selection, and I will not want it to show me lock, so I'll come out. I don't know why this was showing to me. So save, schedule parameter, run, and click on OK. Refresh. It is completed. Go to the log. Let me first see, is there any red or these are green. In the total, you will see nothing is cancelled. Build billable item 12. Okay, so it has created billing document, and the billing document, I think all of them are built together because I did not add any I did not run them separately, and my billing grouping was based on bookers, currency, and sub process. All 12 line items had same booker, same currency, and same sub process. I think they are built together. Okay, so the billing document should appear here. Number build successfully. See, document number is 10041. That means it has taken from a different number range. So I think maybe it is Z1 only. Okay, so let me open the billing document. To display the billing document, the T code is /o fkkinv bill underscore disp. Very long T codes. It annoys me a lot. Apart from similar, I mean, with other modules like FI, CO, FICA, they don't have SDMM. They don't have this longer T codes. Okay, in FI there are some reports which are long S underscore blah blah blah, but that we don't have to remember. We fetch it from the uh, easy access screen. So here you enter the billing document, and here we can see which document we are going to see. Non-reverse document, all documents. So if you don't add anything and just run, it will show you all document. Okay, so right now I'm looking for non-reverse document. Okay, so I execute. It has only 4 line items. Did it generate only one billing document? Transaction processing billing unit. Or did it bill only one set of 68? So it has added, see, three, we had 3 set, each set having Z103 three times. Okay, all of them are combined. Okay, now you'll see the grouping. See, I'll show you the grouping, how the grouping forms. So in one side, I'll open the table, ZVTV table, AC16N, because now the merging has happened. Okay, okay. So here I'll add the billing document, and I'll also open /o AC16N. I'll open the CBTP 48000 table billing document. Okay, so here you'll have more than 4 lines. We have 12 lines. Okay, here we have 12 lines. See what is the unique. So this is the item. You can see it here in the source item. You'll see it here. It is based on source item group. Okay, so not billing item group but source item group. So source item group 111 appearing thrice. Okay, so you can see, do I have the amount? Let me bring in the amounts, change layout, ascending, bill amount. Yes. Okay, so here you'll see, if I put a summation, then I put a subtotal based on source item group. Oops, subtotal. Now here you'll see how the 68 is coming, and I'll bring the bit types. Okay, so in bit types 103, 68, 104, 68, 105, 68, 102, 68. Again, this will not be homogeneous like that. Every time it will not come like the same 68, 68. Because I loaded from manual upload, that is RFK Bixbit sample, I added same amount everywhere. Okay, now the mapping, how the mapping will happen. So source item group, find the field source item group, the field name is src underscore group. Okay. So this field I have to find in the bit table, not here. ZBTB table, ZBTB, oops, here. Okay, we'll come back in 1 minute, then I'll show that. Okay, that field. Thank you. Please join back in 1 minute.